Fire escape from the tube station. Try not to drop anything. There's at least 100 foot there.
Yeah, easy.
Easy.
James, you got a light? Not a lighter, got a torch. Oh, you got a torch, isn't it? Off the front door and stuff.
1999. You wait till we walk back up this thing. Yeah. Well, I say, it's at least 100 foot. Probably a bit more than that. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a tube, unless it's in the tube.
Yeah, right next door.
Tube, so tube.
Cheers, blood clot. Gonna go in there. Someone tried shutting that up. Who shut that up? It was open yesterday. Yeah. The old lift shaft. Toilets. He's having a shit. Who's in there?
Sorry, guys. Right, what's up here anyway?
What's not?
What do you want about? There's not.
Hey?
See how far it goes sideways?
Goes miles, mate. Both ways.
What are you talking about? You can make what's that? Not someone said something.
Have you been down here?
What is that, just one room down?
That's where all the sumps are in it.
You listen to tube bubble
All the old air con.
bubble red.
Yeah.
Bubble red.
Don't work. Must be more than 100 foot down.
It's got probably 120, 150.
40 foot tube, what tube's 80 foot down?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Another command place, is that? Well, you're going to fucking
Hi, James.
down there, Rush.
Sponsored by Puma.
Huh?
Sponsored by Puma. Where's Obi gone? Obi?
Oh, yeah, let's keep going, bro.
Yeah, come down here.
A bit soggy, isn't it?
I want to turn the power off, is that right?
No.
Come on, guys.
Someone's been down here since last night. Yeah.
And the bills come on.
That worked now.
What, that? Yeah. It's because, like, if you jump on it,
Serious?
you should know.
Down there last night.
Pump.
It's the old pump. Pump
Oh,
is
tank, look.
some pump.
Right. Hold on, brother. Bang, you're on up there. You've been up there? Yeah, you've been up there, Paul.
No, I didn't go up there. It was only a quick one. So that's big air, the air ventilation.
Right, what's this big tunnel or what?
Tony's going up there.
I wouldn't trust that, Tony. That's fucking.
Go on, get up there.
Old cast iron, so be
Don't
careful.
fuck about. You can get up there.
Well, no one.
Was it just a tank?
It goes up a bit further. Obviously, electric board to come in. You set that?
No, I've just stuck it in auto. Just leave it on auto.
Yeah, that's what I usually do.
I don't know how to use that camera. Haha.
Yeah, definitely.
I know where the old man lives. All I've got to do is get hold of him and ask. 'Cause the old lady gave me his details and that. She said, yeah, he'll take you round there. He's taken a few others, like older people round, just to show them. Like, it ain't been open for about 15 years.
Sure.
And it's huge. This church is massive.
Yeah, I'm not up for that.
What people been working down there?
Well, I don't know, that weren't there yesterday.
Jack looks new, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think this is a proper escape route, fire exit for the tube station now.
Yeah, I'm turning the torches up every now and then. I'm trying to save. I'm saving on this.
There's more lighting, really.
How we done that?
Got a really belly of a boat, isn't it?
Yeah, well, there's a floor above us and all.
It's belly of fucking London.
I'll go to the floor below it, isn't it?
Sorry, mate.
Anyone want to try this one more?
It's quite clean, isn't it, for what it is?
Yeah, so like most of these places we come to, this underground, and usually have rotten wooden sides, don't they?
Yeah.
It's all flakes all over the floor. And a lot of the chalk ceilings come down.
How much video has you got in here? Does that say 4 hours? And then you've got a battery as well, yeah.
Yeah. It's got yeah, it must be. Recording.
Obi-Wan.
I'll get back down here, you know. There's not enough bedroom like that. I'll get everyone's way. I had quite more.
I don't understand fucking London. What's space underneath it? They're fucking all can't sleep on the pavement.
Yeah, I was only thinking that myself.
I don't fucking understand it.
Thinking that myself. If this house, well, one in Ramsgate held 16.
I'm on a homeless
Sorry.
charity, and I'm not being funny.
One in Ramsgate held 60,000 people.
There's a bike over there.
I'm on a homeless charity, I'm not being funny.
Have you not seen the videos of the bike, Joe?
This is my sound, mate.
Joe, you not seen the videos of that?
What's that now, man?
What you got on my face with it?
What's this go through? This one?
It come through here with it.
I just want to get a picture.
No, actually, yeah. Tony,
Clapham.
Tony, take it up here.
What's the name of the road then?
Bring it up this level.
Right down the stairs.
No, come bring it up here with it.
It's going to ghost it downstairs, isn't it?
Come, yeah, bring it up here.
It's not up them stairs. It's supposed to be open like fully.
Yeah, then ride it up and down that one. Ride it up and down in that one.
I just want this, hang on, stay there, Tony.
Here, Toby,
Yes.
bring your tripod up here.
I will in a minute. I want to get a lovely shot of this.
this?
No, come and have a look at this one.
Yeah.
No, you want. No, seriously, you want this one.
I don't want that one yet.
You do want this one.
I will have that one in a minute. You don't understand. I'm waiting for everyone to move.
Oh yeah. Do you need any more lighting at all?
No. Perfectly do, the whole night. I'm in the alarm line.
Yeah, the phone's always.
Wait, it's the Claw Butler. I reckon I'll get 50 quid for that.
What?
Claw Butler. Well, maybe 40 quid.
Yeah, well,
that-
I'm going to 49 everyone.
We'll put it on eBay. Marketplace. Yeah. Toby, take it up and down here.
Fucking hell. This don't stop, does it?
No, don't. No.
James has got more balls than me. He jumped upstairs.
Hey?
jump upstairs. Time you serial killers.
No, James would.
No, that's all right. I had to go on it yesterday.
No, James not on.
I went.
Right, Bell.
Anyway, go on.
How far is it?
Go, just keep going.
Trying to talk to him.
Go on.
Fucking boy.
Yeah.
Fucking serious.
He's getting some speed now.
Next. Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Fucking light on it.
Hey?
Light on the outside, still switched on.
Yeah.
But you can't
Did you video?
Yeah. Yeah.
Jake.
Yeah. Well, he's got a camera rolling.
It goes further down there than you think.
What's that other guy? What's his name?
Toby.
Toby.
Yeah, it's been used recently though, isn't it?
What's that?
This place. It's been used recently.
Yeah. Yeah. I do think it's a main fire exit. Fire exit for tube station.
Under the tube station, isn't it? So,
Yeah.
what a way to get away is go down.
Don't get me wrong, it's that old, you know, it is it's a couple of 100 years old.
See that?
There's work done
They
in
spent a
the
fortune on it, mate. Look at all the fucking plumbing on it.
Yeah.
That's every strut.
Yeah. Late 1800s, I reckon.
That fucking damp seal, whatever it is.
Victorians in their wheelchair.
Oh, get out.
I watched the documentary on it. They built this. Fucking crazy, mate.
Yeah?
Loads of people died, mate.
Yeah, I bet.
Loads of people died on it. They had to drill down and then they took like a system where they said,
Yes, boy.
James, burn down there on that much.
Are you going, Tobe?
What?
Going?
Fucking too right.
Come on, let me try and run with it with the camera.
What? No, don't worry about my camera.
What? Not your camera.
Let me get down the other end first.
Come on.
Let's go. I can't see shit. Here we go with some strobe lights.
Fucking hell, eh? you? Fucking chainsaw.
Did you and your mate Ryan Clark have run up and down with that?
Oh, that is sick. Claret all over it. He's off again.
Something just slides out everywhere. The front's alright, it's the back. Is he alright upstairs, like?
Hey?
Is he alright upstairs?
No, he's not. No.
That's what I'm saying.
No. Yeah. We sussed that out first day, didn't we?
Where next?
Well, pretty
Once
much.
you've seen one tunnel in
Pretty much.
Once you've seen one tunnel in this place, it's all the same.
Well, yeah, wherever you want to go. I'd go, just keep going straight on.
If you want actually, I've got a van and sit part with us. Take the part with us, mate.
You here?
The door's big enough to get out.
James, you want to take the bike? Yeah. No. Do you want to take the camera? I'll take the bike. You got to hold them together. Yeah. Oh, what's that say?
Back.
Jay?
Why don't they do a straight box?
Jay? Yeah? Battery's gone.
I have a problem with them. I'm sure to get changing settings on the bumps.
Yeah. Battery going. Battery going.
Is it going?
Yeah. They're back low.
Yeah, what's the base, man? See it,
What is that shit? It's Chinese noodles.